Hi Fizz. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is the next day after Tyler emergency hospital visit. I'm just coming on to give you guys a quick update about how he's doing. He slept for the latter part. He slept for the latter part of the night last night. He didn't sleep too bad since we got back from the hospital. He slept until 5 o'clock to be exact, and then we heard him crying. We went and picked him up, and on the way from his room to our room he started vomiting, and as soon as he reached me he vomited again. So he wasn't really crying for the ears this time. He was crying for tea, so he wanted tea, so I gave him some mint. I gave him some mint tea, and then he wanted a yogurt, so I gave him that, and he was up just really cuddling for like about 45 minutes to an hour, and then he fell back asleep. Still he didn't mention anything about the ears. He fell back asleep, and then he slept for about until like 9 a.m. this morning ish. He had a little bit of breakfast. He had his favorite bacon and he didn't really eat it, so that's how you know something is really going on with him. So he didn't really eat much of the breakfast, but then he was kind of coming around back to his old self, so he's not doing too bad. He's almost back to the old Tyler, though he still have the cold. His nose is still running. He pointed at the ears like twice this morning and just said mama ears, so I just said don't worry baby, the ears will soon be okay. But he didn't cry, so at least that's a change, that's a step. So yeah, we're not really going to vlog much today per se, because we're still in the oh my god phase. Did this really happen? But yeah, he's doing better for the most part. At least he's doing better than he was doing last night. So yeah, as the day progresses we'll show you guys what happened throughout the rest of the day. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Tyler is actually taking a nap right now, and so is Babe, and I have some work to do around here. So while everybody else is napping, I am up getting stuff done. I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit of how Tyler is doing, so don't worry y'all, he'll be fine. He's doing better with each passing minute, and that's good. That's good. Oh, by the way, when he woke up this morning he was roasting with fever. His fever was so high. When I feel his head, it was so hot, like boiling hot. So I gave him some medicine, and then I gave him the tea and a little bit of the yogurt. He didn't really have much of it, even though he asked for it. And yeah, he went back to bed. but it have to dry. You showing Papa your artwork? Papa's sleeping, babe. Sleeping over there. Papa's sleeping. No, no. Let's put it outside to dry. Yeah. So this is Tyler artwork, final piece. Good job. Let's put them to dry, okay?